Let's live, laugh, love with Jen. I know it's been a hot minute since I have talked with you guys or put out a video. I am still working very hard to heal and to get better from getting sick this spring. So hopefully I will continue to improve and get better, and I can get out more videos to you guys. Today's video is just going to be a fast nighttime clean with me. And I still have my fall decorations out, so I thought it would be a good time if you guys wanted to see those. Before I start my video, I just recently purchased this from Amazon, and sometimes Amazon can be kind of hit or miss with things, but this is actually a basket that I can store my blankets and pillows in the living room. It's actually pretty huge. It has it fits nicely in a corner, and the brand is Big Brick. And it is about $29, but I love the flexibility of it and how I can toss stuff in it and just toss it to the side and keep all of my stuff. But I love the flexibility of it. I love that I can just toss it to the side and keep some things in it. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And so let's get busy just doing some relaxing cleaning, and thank you guys for all the well wishes. And again, I'm still continuing to heal, and hopefully we'll be back to my normal self, hopefully sometime in 2021.
This is my first cleaning video after learning to walk again. I actually just started walking again in August, so I'm still regaining and rebuilding my strength. Most of this video is in elapsed time, meaning that my camera was placed in one spot in each room and I just left it there as I tidied up. My husband was cooking us steaks for dinner, so I tidied up the main living areas before dinner and the kitchen after dinner. Now I'm just going to put on some music and let you relax and clean with me.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you, I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile, I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you, I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you, ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you, ain't nobody like you, ain't nobody like you. Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you for all your love and support. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.